Welcome everyone, we are the student of NIPS Raigada and today we will be giving a demonstration on pedistro mushroom cultivation. So before getting into the topic, we should know some of the basic information regarding mushroom. The scientific name of pedistro mushroom is Volbariella volvaceae and cultivation of pedistro mushroom is one of the cheapest and economically viable option for the bioconversion of waste material. Mushroom is one such nutraceutical product which has a large potential in the Indian market. Therefore, can make a very valuable contribution to human nutrition, which is rich in protein, amino acid, and has no cholesterol. As mushroom is heterotroph, they can't prepare their own food. So pedistro is containing cellulose is used as substrate so that mushroom can derive nutrients.
Generally, pedistro mushroom production is done in summer and in rainy season, but by maintaining suitable climatic condition, we can do mushroom production throughout the year. Suitable climatic condition for pedistro mushroom are temperature 28 to 38 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 80 to 85%, pH 6.5 to 7 is required. Material required are substrate pedistro, mushroom spun, non-contaminated spun around 200 gram is required to prepare one bed. Bamboo, bricks, and for fumigation we have used formalin and potassium permanganate. And for the treatment of pedistro, limestone and babistine are used. Supplement like gram flour is used. For maintaining optimum humidity, polythene and sand are used. Other equipments required are hand gloves and water sprayer. Procedure. First step is selection of room. The selected room should be away from direct sunlight and should be sealed properly to prevent the entry of insects. The room should be cleaned properly with detergent to prevent the chances of contamination. Second step is room setup for mushroom cultivation. The height of the bed should be 1 to 2 feet above the ground level to avoid attack of insect and pest. For preparing the structure, we require bamboo and bricks, which should be disinfected before use. Cutting of bamboo. Bamboo should be cut as per the requirement. For off-season cultivation, we can use properly sieved sand for maintaining humidity. Collection of bundles. Manually harvested pedistro having moisture less than 12% are collected. Suitable variety for mushroom cultivation are Swarna and MTU 1001. Pedistro bundle preparation. Clean the pedistro properly, leaving only the strong kernels of pedistro. Make the bundle circumference 15 cm and later cut the bundle of length 1.5 feet with the help of cutter. Sterilization of room. As pedistro mushroom are very sensitive to disease and pest, so it is very essential for us to sterilize the room. For fumigation, we have used potassium permanganate 5 gram and formalin. As per our requirement, we have used around 10 petri discs. First of all, we have taken a petri dish and put 5 gram of potassium permanganate and poured of formalin on it. As soon as the fumes arises, close the door and window of the room properly and leave the room closed for at least 48 hours. After sterilization of the room, clean the tank with bleaching powder, which is used for soaking of pedistro bundles. For soaking of pedistro bundles, fill the tank with water. For disinfecting the pedistro, limestone and babistine should be added to the water. 8 gram of babistine is used for 100 liters of water and 1% of limestone is used, which is 1 kg for 100 liters of water. And to submerge the pedistro properly, we have used bamboo over it. After 12 hours, remove the pedistro from the water and keep it in a slanting manner to remove the excess water. Then the next step is spunning. For each bed, 1 bottle spun, 200 gram of gram flour and 17 bundles of pedistro is used. For the first layer, place 4 bundles of pedistro in north-south direction and spread the spun, leaving 2.5 cm gap from the periphery, and apply gram flour as a food supplement. Repeat the process until the third layer. At the end, Press the bed from the top and cover the clean polythene sheet for maintaining required humidity and temperature. Observation: after 4 to 5 days, mycelium growth is seen in the mushroom bed. On the 5th day, polythene sheet is removed for aeration. Harvest the first flush of mushroom at egg stage, which will be ready after 4 to 5 days of removal of polythene sheet. First flush normally lasts for 3 to 4 days and contribute about 70 to 90% of the total production. With maintenance of temperature and humidity, second flush of mushroom contributing 10 to 30% of the total production can be harvested after 3 to 4 days of the first flush. Biological efficiency is around 20 to 25% and farmers will harvest on an average 1 to 1.5 kg of mushroom per bed.